Hi, I'm Lionel, this is Tech Loto, and let's talk about the Edifier W820NB Plus headphones. These are wireless noise cancelling headphones and they provide great comfort, especially for using them all day. I've covered the previous version of these headphones, which are pretty much the same design, apart from a few minor changes on the accents. But when it comes to the sound of these headphones, that's where you really see a difference. Again, what would I recommend these headphones for? Primarily, I'd recommend these for work setting or if you're traveling on a plane or something like that. But let's get into the features. The benefit that you get is that the noise cancelling is much better than before. With the improved noise cancelling, you're not getting those tiny audio artifacts that you would normally get in your noise cancelling headphones. It does a great job of cancelling out the noise around you, with the added benefit of also not leaking as much sound. What I do like is that they've kept the padding of the headphones soft. So again, using this in the work setting, you're getting really light pressure on your head and you can use it for a long period of time. So moving on to the sound, I would say that these headphones give you decent quality sound, again in the mid-range quality level, that you're able to enjoy your music easily without being overwhelmed by the bass. These are the casual go-to headphones for sitting in the house, doing some work, working in the office, or when we're traveling and we don't want to carry the most expensive headphones in the world in case we lose them. So with a reasonable price of £64, I definitely recommend the Edifier W820NB Plus hybrid headphones. Thank you very much for watching, and if you want to know more about Edifier products, remember to leave a comment.